That overflowed your plastic, so.
Just waiting for the right occasion for these.
Those are nice.
Thank you.
They're the right size to put on the table with all the food.
Get a picture of all this, maybe as we're sitting, and you can then put it on the internet, send it to Mother and Dad.
As we're sitting, picture as we're sitting.
Yeah.
Are we gonna get a picture of the Piccadilly spread in this
Of the what?
one? The Piccadilly spread?
Oh, yeah. I bet you, they think they're gonna go in there without reservations, and it's
Well, they
about
do
the
that
last
every
day
year,
they're
though, don't they?
serving, though.
They do that every year.
But it's
though.
about the last day they're serving, and I bet it's a mob scene.
Last day? This is the day.
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing here now?
Taking video footage.
Candid shots? Well, ladies, sit down.
Okay.
Ladies.
All right.
We should do this one at a time, so at least we get
And one from that end.
more
Yeah.
in the picture.
Mhm.
Thanks. Yeah, want to catch the dog.
Got a picture of this.
Working
Far
mode.
ahead of you here.
What baby bull? Hi, boy. Put these over here.
Right.
Still some more glasses. It comes from Great Zero, I think, and last Christmas time, they had one of these bottles which went on. They talked about an article that
Use it for food or for decoration.
Right.
Certainly holds a lot.
Yes. Punch bowl, probably.
Yeah,
Not
just about. Anywhere in particular you want the butter?
We
In
can,
the dairy, I guess, there, right?
yeah, there's one in
Is there
there.
room
Here,
or-
I'll put it